You spend about 1/3 of your entire life asleep, not working, not thinking, not moving, just unconscious. And for decades, scientists asked a simple question:
Why?
why would evolution force humans to shut down for hours every single night? It makes no sense. When you sleep, you cannot hunt, you cannot protect yourself, you cannot respond to danger. From an evolutionary perspective, sleep looks like a weakness. So why does your brain depend on it? And here is something even more surprising. This process depends on specific minerals and electrolytes inside your brain, which means sleep is not just rest, it is chemistry. For a long time, people believed sleep was simply for rest, a way to recover energy, to feel refreshed the next day. But modern neuroscience tells a very different story. Sleep is not passive, it is active, highly active, and something remarkable happens inside your brain while you sleep. Imagine your brain as a city. During the day, that city is crowded, signals firing, neurons communicating, energy being used every second. But all that activity creates waste, microscopic byproducts that build up between brain cells. Now here is the problem. Your brain has no traditional waste disposal system, no lymphatic system like the rest of your body. So what happens to all that buildup? Here is the twist most people never hear. When you fall asleep, your brain does something extraordinary. It begins to clean itself. Peer-reviewed research has shown that during sleep, the spaces between brain cells expand, allowing fluid to flow through the brain, flushing out metabolic waste that accumulated during the day. In simple terms, while you are asleep, your brain is washing itself, and this process depends on balance, fluid movement, cellular signaling, electrochemical gradients, all of which rely on minerals like magnesium and other electrolytes working properly, which means sleep is not just about time, it is about biological conditions. And if that process is disrupted, the effects begin to build, not immediately, but gradually. Slower thinking, reduced focus, impaired memory, because your brain was never designed to operate without regular cleanup. And if you have ever felt mentally foggy after poor sleep, you have already experienced this effect. This changes how we think about sleep. Sleep is not just rest. It is maintenance, protection, preservation. Your brain does not shut down at night. It shifts roles from processing information to protecting itself. As always, individual responses vary, and scientific understanding continues to evolve. The next time you consider cutting back on sleep, remember something. You are not just losing rest. You may be interrupting one of the most important maintenance systems your brain has, because your body was never designed to run continuously. It evolved to cycle, to repair, to reset, and sleep is where that happens. So here is what I want to know. Before today, did you know your brain cleans itself while you sleep? Let me know in the comments. And which topic should we explore next? Melatonin, the hormone that controls sleep timing. Magnesium, the mineral that calms neural activity. Or caffeine, the molecule that blocks sleep signals. Subscribe to the Nutrient Matrix for cinematic, evidence-based explorations of how your body really works beneath the surface.